Hey everyone, David C. Anderson here coming at you from the Knife Center, and today we're facing off a pair of slim, aluminum-handled American flippers. It's the Gerber Fastball versus the Kershaw Dividend, and you get to pick the winner. Let's do this. When Gerber first introduced the fastball earlier this year, a lot of folks saw some similarities to the Kershaw Dividend, so let's see how they actually stack up. We're comparing the top-end trim of the Kershaw to Gerber's new challenger. Both knives feature modified Wharncliffe blades with stone-washed finishes. The fastball uses S30V and it has a flat grind and a swedged tip. The Dividend has a thinner blade made from M390 with a higher flat grind and a longer swedge on the spine. So this knife pulls ahead on the cutting efficiency and edge retention, but if you want more lateral blade strength, you should go with the Gerber. Both the Gerber and the Kershaw feature anodized aluminum handles with liner locks to keep the blades open. The Dividend is available with a black finish, while you get a few other color options with the fastball. This version right here is the sage green color, but you can also get it in urban gray and black if you prefer, but that version has a black stonewashed finish instead of the standard stonewash. Both of these knives feature the same amount of effective grip, essentially 3.5 fingers for me, and that's a great size for EDC because it's agile to work with, but still large enough that you could press it into some slightly heavier work if you needed to. The Kershaw is slightly thinner overall, while the Gerber is slightly fuller in the hand, but really it's splitting hairs between them because they're both slim and carry in the pocket very easily. Apart from the steel, the biggest differentiator between these two knives is the opening action. The Dividend features Kershaw's famous and long-proven speed-safe system. It's simple, effective, and fast when you flip it. While Gerber has equipped the fastball with a ball-bearing pivot and a perfectly tuned detent, eliminating the need for an assist spring. The Dividend is definitely a little bit faster to open, but I think the action on the Gerber is more satisfying. On top of that, the Gerber is a little bit easier to close too. Now it doesn't make that much difference, but there is a little bit of resistance from the assisted opening spring when you go to close the Dividend. As far as carrying these knives go, both knives feature a lanyard hole, which allows you to add your accessories as you wish, although the Gerber does have a slightly larger hole if that makes a difference to you. The Gerber's pocket clip on this version features a stonewashed finish, although if you get the black version, it does have a black stonewashed finish to match the blade. The Dividend features a black painted clip, which could flake over time, but it makes up for that with an extra clip position. You can carry this knife tip up or tip down on either side. Whereas interestingly, Gerber actually has a 3-position pocket clip. It is reversible for tip-up carry on either side, but if you want to carry it tip down, that's only going to work for right side carry. This is something of a unique position because usually if they're going to do tip up, you're going to have it on both sides, but because of the pivot on the other side, they actually didn't have room for the screw holes. But I don't actually think you're missing too much here since most people are going to carry tip up anyway. So this is the part where I keep my mouth shut and let you guys pick the winner. Do you go for the spring-assisted M390 blade of the Kershaw Dividend or the S30V Gerber Fastball with its perfect manual flipping action? Be sure to let us know in the comments which knife gets your vote, and to get your hands on either of them, you can click the link in the description below to head over to KnifeCenter.com. And be sure to sign up for our Knife Rewards program while you're there. You might as well earn money back if you're going to buy a knife anyway. I'm David C. Anderson signing off from the Knife Center. See you next time. Comparisons were quick, but if you want more lateral blade strength, you should go with the Gerber. And be sure to sign up for our Knife Rewards program while you're up.
Anyways, tired knee rotated.
Your stomach will have something to say in a minute, so it's fine.
I had breakfast this morning. I'm good.